Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting SUV releases of the year, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 250, also known as the new Land Cruiser Prado in some parts of the world. After taking a break from the US market, Toyota is finally bringing back the Land Cruiser nameplate with a fresh new look, improved technology, and some serious off-road chops. Whether you're a longtime Land Cruiser fan or just someone looking for a capable and reliable SUV, this model deserves your attention. The 2025 Land Cruiser 250 is built on Toyota's TNGA-F body-on-frame platform, which it shares with the larger Land Cruiser 300 and the new Toyota Tacoma. Right off the bat, it's clear this SUV is designed to be rugged and functional. The exterior design is boxy, muscular, and purpose-built, with a retro feel that pays homage to classic Land Cruisers from the past. The squared-off body, bold grille, and high-clearance bumpers all contribute to a tough, trail-ready look. You can choose between round or rectangular LED headlights depending on the trim, and the prominent front fenders, pronounced hood, and sharp lines give it a commanding presence whether it's on the street or in the dirt. Overall, it looks more like a proper off-roader again, and that's a great thing. Step inside, and Toyota keeps things simple but smart. The interior isn't about flashy luxury, but it delivers quality materials and well-thought-out functionality. You'll find a clean dashboard layout with easy-to-reach controls, a mix of physical buttons and digital displays, and just the right amount of tech. There's either an 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and multiple USB-C charging ports. Depending on the trim, you'll also get options like leather-trimmed seats, a heated steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster. Everything feels durable and built to last, perfect for daily life or weekend adventures. Under the hood, the big news is the addition of Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. In the US, this will be the only engine option and it's a good one. A 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with a 48-horsepower electric motor, together delivering a total of 326 horsepower and a whopping 465 pound-feet of torque. This setup is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive. Not only does it offer serious low-end torque for off-roading or towing, but it also delivers improved fuel economy compared to previous models. The Land Cruiser 250 is also equipped with a locking center differential, available locking rear differential, crawl control, and multi-terrain select to handle just about any terrain you throw at it. When it comes to safety, Toyota doesn't cut corners. The 2025 Land Cruiser 250 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the SUV's sturdy body structure and high ground clearance enhance passive safety, while off-road specific features like a 360-degree terrain monitor, downhill assist control, and front and rear recovery points make sure you're prepared even when you leave the pavement. One of the Land Cruiser's strongest selling points has always been its reliability and go-anywhere reputation, and the 2025 model brings that back in a big way. It's not bloated with excessive luxury, but rather built with real capability and functionality. It's slightly smaller than the previous US market Land Cruiser, making it more practical for everyday use while still offering serious off-road potential. Toyota has also managed to pack in modern convenience features without compromising the rugged appeal that has made the Land Cruiser a global icon. In terms of pricing, Toyota has done something impressive by keeping the Land Cruiser relatively accessible. The base 1958 edition is expected to start around $55,000, with the higher trim Land Cruiser grades pushing into the low $70,000s. That positions it well below some of its more luxury-oriented competitors, while still offering a full range of features and exceptional durability. For buyers who want a midsize SUV that can handle city commutes during the week and rough trails on the weekend, this one hits the sweet spot. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 is a welcome return to form for a legendary nameplate. It brings together a tough exterior, a smart and functional interior, impressive hybrid performance, top-tier safety tech, and the kind of capability that's made Land Cruisers famous around the world. If you're looking for a reliable, off-road ready SUV that's just as comfortable hauling gear through the mountains as it is picking up the kids from school, the new Land Cruiser 250 should be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new Land Cruiser. See you next time.